So yun po yung kanyang loob mga ka-DIY. Ang kanyang battery ay lead acid 4 volts. So try natin na palitan ng lithium battery 18650. Try natin kung gagana siya. Pagka gumana mga ka-DIY, dalawa yung ilalagay natin, ipaparallel natin yung dalawa para mas matagal malubat. So mga master, ito nga pala yung ating ipapalit na battery na 18650. Ayan po. Ang nominal voltage po nito ay 3.7 volts. Ang full charge po nito ay 4.2. So may capacity po ito na bawat isa ay 2000 mAh. So dalawa po ito, bali 4000 mAh kapag pinarallel.
One too many times, looks like she's had all she could take of me. She left me a note on the bathroom sink, said she needed some time to think. So an empty house is now all that I see. Just when I thought to myself I was finally free,